A complete production cell for workpiece handling from a single source. This cell is including in-feed conveyor line for aluminum extrusions, HHV3 machining centers, GRX ATS top entry gantry robots for material in-feed and part out-feed handling. The solution provides flexibility for a wide variety of parts and high quality with more stable cycle times and better repetition accuracy of the handling. The production cell provides safe and easy access to the machines during the milling process. The operator can overview all activities within the production cell from the user-friendly HMI panel. The customer will have the great benefit of attending the acceptance test of both the machining solution and the automation system at the same time, under one roof from a single source. Both the machining center and automation system are based on the same high-quality components and platform of control system. The robots run your process with efficient and fast movements up to 8.2 feet per second. The robot has a customized end-of-arm tooling. The HHV is a horizontal machining center available with 4 or 5 axis machining and with 1 or 2 spindles for high volume production. It handles uncut bars and extrusions of a limited length and produce many parts from the same block of material. Parts are completed in one setup with no work holding. The use of top-entry gantry robots reduces the need of expensive floor space and provides the benefit of a cost reduction with less labor needed. The production cell delivers a short return of investment compared to a manual operated solution.